Hi, I'm Lisa Whittemore. I'm with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension in Guadalupe County, and I'm with a Better Living for Texans program. Today we're going to talk about an interesting subject. Have you ever thought about dining at the dollar store? So today what I'm going to bring you is how we can stretch our food dollars and actually create a casserole dish including all 5 food groups from the dollar store. Now, how many of you do shop at the dollar store? I know many of us do. I'm one that does. When you're thinking about planning your meals, you know what you have in your pantry, you know what you can throw together really quick. And sometimes, like me, I'm in a rush to get home and I haven't planned my meal, but the big stores are lots of traffic, lots of parking, and I can in and out the dollar store in a few minutes, so it makes it convenient for me to do that. Now, a lot of people don't like to stop at the dollar store. They don't want to shop there because they have some myths about the things that the dollar store has. One of them is the food is outdated. It's very easy to check to see if a food is dated or not dated. Checking with your nutrition facts label. You can also check at the same time whether it's a nutrition item or whether it's dated or not dated. Another thing you don't know about the dollar store is that bread and milk are delivered daily. They don't have the facilities to store a large quantity of stockpiling, so they deliver bread and milk daily. So sometimes on the way home, if I need a fresh loaf of bread, I'll pull into the dollar store. Now, the dollar stores are convenient, but they do sell a lot of products that are not healthy for you. For example, anything fast and quick and canned has a lot of sodium in it, so you need to be careful with that. Also, the dollar stores have different types of sizes. Some people say that I don't get the right size. Well, yes, the dollar store has 2 different sizes. As you can see here in the example, we have Sun-Made raisins, a national brand, but yet this size, larger size, is what you find in most stores. This is what you will find in a dollar store. Is there a difference? Yes, there's a difference in size. But what you're doing is buying exactly $1's worth of raisins. This is great if you're only doing a recipe for the first time, you just need a small amount. Maybe the dollar store is someplace you need to go. Also, a lot of times the dollar stores will have bonus sizes. This is a 50% more free. So, actually you can get 4 meals out of this one box. Now, a lot of dollar stores will go ahead and take coupons. A lot of them have coupons in their own circulars. They take national coupons. They also take WIC and Lone Star cards or the SNAP education cards. So it's easy to use those items in dollar stores. Be familiar with your dollar store. Some of them can carry frozen items. Some of them carry dairy. Some of them also carry fresh, like I said, the bread and the rolls and the pastas. So check and see what your particular dollar store will carry. Today I'm going to make a recipe for you. It's called Ramen Skillet Noodle. And these are the things that I will have for you. Now, the first thing, of course, is ramen noodles. We all use ramen noodles. Kids love them. They're quick and they're easy, but they are not quite healthy because of the fact that they do have a lot of sodium. How I get around this is I don't use a seasoned packet. I season it with fresh things like peppers, onions, garlic. The other thing I have today is the stir fry. This is a stir fry from the dollar store. It's $1 a bag. It has peppers, onions, carrots, and a lot of healthy ingredients. No added sodium. The other item I have is canned chicken, and I have 2 cups of canned chicken here. Those are $1 a can. Now, another thing I have for is chopped onions. Now, you always have onions at home, so I didn't have to buy that. Also, since I want to include dessert, I got a nice jar of applesauce. So we're going to stop right here and I'm going to start putting this together for you. This is our recipe we're using today. It's called Ramen Noodle Skillet. It's a 1-pot recipe and I'm going to be feeding 4 people. All these items are from the dollar store. So the first particular item that I have is 2 teaspoons of olive oil. I've already put that in there. So this is to get the goods frying. The other thing I have is 1 cup of onions, and I will go ahead and put that in at this time to get that started sizzling. Now I'm going to throw in my frozen vegetables, and this is pepper stir fry, again at $1 at the dollar store. This gives it some lovely characteristics, lovely color, lots of vitamins. And it smells wonderful. The next thing I'm going to add is 1 cup of water. Two cups of canned chicken. Now you can use any meat that you like. Canned chicken, I got this at the dollar store, so that's why I'm using it. But if you have leftover beef or pork or chicken at home, feel free to use it. It does cut your dollars when it comes to spending. The last ingredient is a ramen noodles. I went ahead and smashed the bag so that we can add these to the pot. And you can buy ramen noodles that have 35% less sodium. However, because I had this doesn't. So guess what? This is going in the trash. Give that a good stir. I'm going to put the lid on it, and it's going to cook for about 15 minutes. Hi, I'm back. Our pot is cooking, as you can see. I wish you could smell this, but this is a delicious, in one pot, pasta with ramen noodles, stir-fry veggies, and chicken. One pot meal. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up now. Now, some beautiful colors in here, and peppers. Also, to complete this meal, I have applesauce from the dollar store and milk. So this is a complete dinner using all 5 food groups. And the cost, less than $4. Thank you for joining me today at Dining at the Dollar Store. Be sure to like me. Thanks. Bye-bye.